Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a free affiliate marketing course where you guys could get started um, your affiliate marketing journey real quick. Okay, and the best way to start affiliate marketing. I know there's a lot of multiple ways to get started with affiliate marketing, and I actually have a free course where you guys could get started with affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside this course. If you guys want to sign up, I'll have the link down below in the description or anywhere around this video. So go check it out. It's completely free for you guys to get started with this course, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside my affiliate marketing course, and it's completely free. Don't forget that it is completely free, so you guys can get started getting knowledge from this affiliate marketing course. So let's get into my computer, and it's pretty basic. It tells you to follow me on YouTube. If you guys haven't done it yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button. Also hit that notification button so you guys could get notified when I post my next video. Um, and also, so yeah, let's get into it. It gives you a introduction of myself and how I get started with affiliate marketing. It's gonna show you to join my wildly growing Facebook group if you guys want to join it, or if I post this already in the Facebook group. Wow, Facebook group. That's up to you, but yeah, it's just gonna show you why I created this affiliate marketing course. It's basically using email marketing. My method is email marketing. So if you guys want to get into that, go for it, and it'll show you what you guys need to get started with, and so forth and so forth. And one of the best ways to do it, if you get, I go into how email marketing works, how to get started with get response, and I also give you 180 days email sequence. If you guys want that, you guys could just get that. If you guys want to join the affiliate marketing program, just install that and also set up custom emails. Like instead of using Gmail as your default to send out your emails, you could actually set up your custom email, like basically a custom domain email. It's how to send your first email, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to build a funnel with ClickFunnels. You know, I I'm thinking of doing also a builder route because it's way cheaper and it's actually the same thing, but right now I'm just doing it with ClickFunnels because that's what I use. I also used built Builderall to get started with affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna show you guys why you need a landing page and how it works. Building your first funnel page editor, installing a pixel and tracking codes. Because if you guys start running ads, you guys are gonna wanna you guys don't want to be researching all the time. So you guys are gonna install pixels and to see what audience are more interested in your offers, and how to integrate your autoresponder. So after that, I'm gonna show you guys which ones are the best affiliate programs to join. One of them is the 31K challenge. The other one is ClickFunnels, and the other one is so forth and so forth. So if you guys want to get into that, go ahead. Um, Traffic, best ways to grow your email list, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, new ways to get traffic, and traffic secret. Um, you know, and also I give you guys the ClickFunnels tips and tricks, um, helpful tools and resources, and the expert secrets masterclass, and also bonuses, freebies for you guys. I'm trying to give you guys as much tips and tricks so you guys could succeed in affiliate marketing, because I know when I first got started, I invested in so many courses. Some of them gurus didn't really teach me how to get started with affiliate marketing, but This is completely free, so I'm trying to give you guys a lot of freebies, but don't get me wrong, affiliate marketing, you still got to put in the effort, you still got to put in the time. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up, it's completely free. The link down below. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.